recording. And thanks to Miss Mata for putting that together for us. So, okay, good morning, boys and girls. We have hit the 9:25 time, which means we get to start with this assembly, our Beardsley Academy 1st and 2nd grade Trimester 3 Awards Assembly. Wow! Hard to believe it is already Trimester 3, almost the end of the year in 2 days. So families, welcome. We are still letting people in. Welcome. I just wanted to go over a couple ground rules with the students. As a reminder, boys and girls, we want to keep our mics off. We want to be respectful of everyone who is going to be given an award today. We also want to let you know we have closed off the chat because we just want to make sure we're able to monitor this assembly. And also, oh, I hear somebody's mic on. Miss Quiroz, could you turn your mic off, please, honey? Thank you. We also want to remind you that we're recording. So if you want to show your mom and dad later, if your mom and dad or your grandma, grandpa, aunt, whoever, maybe your friend wants to see the awards assembly, they will be able to access it. So let's get started with our first awards. We are going to be recognizing students for academic achievement in outstanding reading, writing, or math. First, with Miss CK's class, we have in the area of reading, Jordi Ramirez. In the area of reading, Yom Mejistu Lamecha. In the area of writing, Samantha Molina. In the area of writing, Elena Lobbins. In the area of math, Jaden Martinez. And in the area of math, Salomon Castillo. We have Miss Luna's class. In the area of lectura, Cameron Moniz. In lectura, Alexander Roman. In the area of escritura, Delilah Carrillo. In escritura, Caitlin Ortiz. I love seeing all of you go, yeah. In the area of escritura, Mia Pasillas. In the area of mathematics, Miles Doris. And in the area of mathematics, Manuel Flores. In Miss Roque's class, in lectura, Sophia Villela. In lectura, Mauricio Rosales. In escritura, Logan Serrano. In escritura, Jeremiah Kenny. In matemáticas, Jocelyn Martinez. In matemáticas, Mia Mejia Sanchez. In Miss Chu's class, in the area of reading, Elena Godbot. In the area of reading, Ricardo Castillo. In the area of writing, Juliana Luevano. In the area of writing, Mia Gomez. In the area of mathematics, Sarah Alvarez. In the area of mathematics, Carlos Gutierrez. In the area of reading, Ryan Sanchez. In the area of reading, Rosalind Cerna. In the area of writing, Maya Rodriguez. In the area of writing, Damian Magallanes. And in the area of math, Isaac Bandana and Noah Martinez. For Miss Neal's class, in lectura, Dominic Reese Ayala. In lectura, Jaden Chavez. In escritura, Emiliano Martinez. In escritura, Efren Reyes. In Matemáticas, Celeste Alvarado. In Matemáticas, Noel Banuelos. In Miss Shear's class, in the area of reading, Dallas Gonzalez. In the area of writing, Dallas Gonzalez. And in the area of mathematics, Giovanni Ruiz. Let's give all of our outstanding reading and writing a big round of applause. Let me see your big rounds of applause. And yeah, you guys did a great job cheering the students on, for those that I can see. And now for most improved in the areas of reading, writing, and math. In Miss CK's class, in reading, Salomon Castillo. In writing, Osiris Lobbins. And in math, Yom Magistu Lamecha. In Miss Luna's class, in the area of lectura, Ermiliana Escutia. In the area of escritura, Jorge Valdivia. And in the area of mathematicas, Isis Gonzalez. In Miss Roque's class, in the area of lectura, Noah Maldonado. In the area of escritura, Emma Andrade. And in the area of mathematicas, Emmanuel Gomez. In Miss Chu's class, in the area of reading, Nikolai Moore. In the area of writing, Carlos Gutierrez. In the area of math, Edward Jaso. In the area of reading, Juliet Anguiano. And I apologize, Juliet Aguyo. In the area of writing, Sophia Shimono. And in the area of math, Leah Perez. In Miss Neal's class, in the area of lectura, Daniella Herrera. In the area of escritura, Juliana Salinas Martinez. In the area of mathematics, Jasmine Quiros. And in Miss Shear's class, in the area of reading, Jocelyn Rojas. And in the area of math, Giovanni Ruiz. Let's give all of our most improved a big round of applause. Let me see those big rounds of applause. And yeah, great job, boys and girls. And now for our teacher's choice. This is an area the teacher chooses to recognize the students in. In Miss CK's class, Jordi Ramirez for making outstanding progress in 2nd grade. And Elena Lobbins, a wonderful job this school year in 2nd grade. She has worked very hard to meet grade level standards. In Miss Luna's class, Selena Valencia, estudiante sobresaliente en todas las áreas de contenido. Y Christian Donis Orantes, estudiante sobresaliente en todas las áreas de contenido. For Miss Roque, Benjamin Campos, ser un estudiante inspirado y entusiasta. Y Kenzie Quevedo, ser un participante activo y un estudiante modelo a seguir. See, I tried, boys and girls. And in Miss Chu's class, Juliana Luevano, making wise choices, always trying her best, and actively participating in class. Alina Alvarez for improvement in reading and putting forth more effort in participation in class. Still in Miss Chu's class, Cristobal de Paz Rodriguez. His active participation during class, he is always trying his best and loves learning so much that he does not want to log off for the school day. That's great. And Isaac Bandana for being a caring friend. He stayed on during his lunch break to talk to a friend that was having a bad day to help him feel better. Isaac is always kind and caring towards others. In Miss Neal's class, Aiden Carlos, mejorar académica general y trabajo duro. In Miss Shear's class, Giovanni Ruiz. Gigi Mathemagician completed 100% and almost all of 2nd grade too. Wow. And Dallas Gonzalez, Gigi Mathemagician completed 100%. And Giovanni Ruiz for Imaginative Learners, meeting weekly usage goals. And Dallas Gonzalez for Imaginative Learners, meeting weekly usage goals. Let's give our Teacher's Choice students a big round of applause. And yeah, you guys are awesome. You guys are doing a great job. And now we have citizenship. Okay, for Miss CK, Jaden Martinez, Osiris Lobbins, Samantha Molina, Yo Magistu Lamecha, Jordi Ramirez, Elena Lobbins, and Salomon Castillo. For Miss Luna's class, Francisco Lopez, Isis Gonzalez, Cameron Moniz, Alexander Roman, Araline Villarreal, Ermiliana Escrutia, Christian Donis Orantes, Delilah Carrillo, Edgar Rodriguez, Mia Pasillas, Jorge Valdivia, Mia Maldonado, Manuel Flores, Joseph Hernandez, Lily Garcia, Caitlin Ortiz, Jacob Camacho, Summer Cadillo, Selena Valencia, Ruben Caldera, Miles Doris, and Mauricio Rosales. For Miss Roque's class, Logan Serrano, Sophia Viela, Jocelyn Martinez, Bella Ramirez, and Annabelle Nahera. In Miss Chu's class, Ricardo Castillo, Nikolai Moore, Alina Alvarez, Mia Gomez, Juliana Luevano, Carlos Gutierrez, and Sarah Alvarez. In Miss Neo's class, Emiliano Martinez, Efren Reyes, Dominic Reese Ayala, Daniella Herrera, Celeste Alvarado, and Noel Banuelos. In Miss Shear's class, Dallas Gonzalez, Jocelyn Rojas, Brielle Torres, and Giovanni Ruiz. Let's give all of our students a big round of applause. And yeah, for citizenship. Boys and girls, I want to thank you for all your continued hard work. You have truly persevered through this year. You made it. We made it, guys. We only have 2 more days left of school. I cannot thank the teachers and all of our staff enough for such a great year. We made the best of what we had, and we thank you. Also, parents, thank you. This was one of the most difficult years, I think we'd all agree, and working together truly made the difference. So thank you, sincerely, thank you for all your support. And boys and girls, I'm gonna let you, but listen to the directions, because we always do this. And for you for you that were in kinder, remember from last year, I have to remind the next group. But we're gonna say thank you, but I'm gonna tell you when you could take your mic off, and then we're gonna say it really loud. So we're gonna make sure our ears are covered if it's gonna hurt you. And then we're gonna turn our mics right back off. Okay, so you're gonna turn them on when I count to 3. say thank you, and then you're going to turn it back off. Okay? Are you? Oh, I haven't counted. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Thank
Turn them off. Turn them off. Okay, boys and girls, thank you. I see your mic's on, but we have this recorded, and we want to wish you a very, very happy rest of your week. Aloha for all of you wearing your Hawaiian gear. And thank you again to our teachers, to our staff, and our parents for your continued support. Thank you, boys and girls. We'll see you later. Bye-bye. Go back to class. Make sure you go fast and you are here.
you.